Alright guys, so today we're going to be discussing this hair that I received from Beafay Hair. I hope that is the correct way to pronounce it. Here's the packaging. This is what they shipped the hair in to me. And as you can see, here are the bundles. I did receive 3 bundles of 20 inches and I also received an 18-inch lace frontal. So looking at the hair, as you can see, it's very pretty, it's lustrous, it's bouncy. I'm running my fingers through it. I didn't get any shedding from the bundles. As you can see, the wefts are nice and full. I didn't notice anything abnormal or I guess alarming about the wefts. To me, the weft construction looked pretty good. The ends of the hair, which I'll show to you in just a second, were not scraggly. I did not have to trim them or cut them or anything like that. They look pretty good. All I did was add some oil to the ends of the hair once I styled the hair, and they were fine. So I have no complaints about the bundles. They were all really pretty. So now we're going to take a look at the lace frontal. Here it is. As you can see, it did not come tweed, so I did have to customize the hairline. I also had to bleach the knots. The knots did not come bleached. It does have this nice protective border around the edges of the lace frontal just to protect it from its use. And I did notice some shedding in the lace frontal. I wasn't really happy about that. It's also not as dense as I'm used to, but all in all, I really love the lace color, and for the price, for what you're getting, I am not disappointed. I mean, it served its purpose. It's not the best frontal that I've ever used, but it's cool. Now, I'm going to show you guys how I actually apply this unit using an actual adhesive. I'm just right here showing you some of the tools that you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need a rat tail comb, some clips to secure the hair out of your face and to kind of keep it pulled away. I use this pencil, this eyeliner pencil, to kind of give me a guideline. You're going to need some alcohol to prep the skin. Also, to prep the skin, you're going to need a cotton ball, or you can use a napkin. I have this popsicle stick that I'm going to use to smooth out the adhesive. This is my scalp protectant that I'm going to apply on my skin to protect my skin from the adhesive. I do have sensitive skin, so this is important to me. And I'm going to be using the Ghostbond adhesive. This is my very first time using it. There are like 3 different kinds. I chose to use the XL version. I did pick this up from my local beauty supply store, but it is available on Amazon. You can find it online, even on eBay. This was $22.99 at my local beauty supply store. So let's get into the application of this unit. Of course, you want to put the unit on first. I did construct it into a wig, by the way. So this is the hair. Looks really pretty, right? This is actually my second install of the unit that you're seeing right now. So the hair has been washed and previously curled. What you're seeing now is me taking that pencil, and I'm just using it to kind of give me a guideline as to how far up I want my lace to be. Now, this is my very first time using the actual adhesive. I've always used the Got To Be Glue gel to apply my lace frontals. I have tons of videos of me using the Got To Be glue, but this is my first time using the actual lace glue. So I was kind of nervous, and I wanted to make sure that you know, I didn't make too many errors, because this was glue, sis. I didn't want to pulling out my hair, snatching off my skin, you know. So I wanted to try my best to get the best application first go around. So I'm just kind of creating kind of like a guiding point as to where I want my lace to be. And so I'm doing that all the way across my hairline, and as you can see, this is what it looks like after I finish. And of course, after I applied the lace, I did go back over and clean that white pencil off. So this is what we're looking like. So now I'm going to pull back the lace, and I'm going to start to prep the skin using the alcohol and the cotton ball. Just going to go across my skin. I am not applying this lace on my hairline, so I'm putting it, cleaning off my skin. And after that, I'm going to let that dry, And once the alcohol is dry, I'm going to go right on top of it with the Walker skin protectant, and I'm gonna I actually put like 2 layers of this, and then you want to let that dry as well. And again, this is going to protect your skin from the adhesive. It also creates a nice barrier between your skin and the lace, and it kind of minimizes irritation and any possible allergic reactions from the adhesive. Now you see me applying the Ghostbond glue. I put dots and I went back over it and smoothed it out with the popsicle stick. Now you can put, I think on the website it says to do 4 to 5 layers of this. I only did 2 layers, and I'm showing you both times that I did it in this video. You want to make sure that the adhesive dries completely clear before you put down the lace. I made the mistake in my first time using this, and I didn't let it dry all the way clear in some areas, and I did experience some lifting. So you want to make sure again that you let this glue dry until it is clear before you apply your second layer. So here I am fanning the girl. I'm fanning. You can also use your blow dryer on a cool setting, but I just fanned it, and then I'm going to show you my second layer in just a second. Now with this, after I applied my lace, I did tie my hair down for about 15 minutes just to help that lace really mesh into that glue. Also, you want to give your hair 24 hours after you apply this lace frontal. You want to give it 24 hours before you expose the hair to any humidity or moisture or wetness. So wear that shower cap when you get in the shower, sis, so your lace won't lift. So that pretty much summarizes the application of the lace frontal. This is me just pressing it into the glue using my comb. You want to make sure you use the comb and not your hands, just to minimize the transfer of oils from your hands onto your lace frontal. So now we're going to go ahead and get into my final thoughts on this hair. Alright guys, so I've showed you all the packaging and all that jazz, and given you the specs, and you've seen what the hair looks like when it first came to me. So this install, I've actually worn this hair off and on for about 2 months now, a month and a half, 2 months. So I've uninstalled and reinstalled this unit 3 times now, 3 or 4 times now. So I've gotten a lot of wear out of this. I've worked out in it, I have slept in it, I've curled it and everything. So let me just quickly give you my thoughts on this hair. And so first of all, the hair curls really well. It does hold a curl really nicely. It is not dry. The ends are nice. You know, I don't have any complaints about the ends of the hair. The bundles are really nice. I did find that the frontal sheds a little bit too much for my liking. It is not the worst frontal that I've ever used, but it's also not the best frontal that I've ever worn. I will say that the lace is perfect for my complexion. It blends in seamlessly. The melt on this lace is superb. I love that about it. I will give you guys a close-up, but y'all, I've been wearing this unit on my glued down now for about a week and a half, and it's actually time for me to take it off, wash it, and reinstall it. So I'm really happy with the hair, the overall quality of the hair. I have not dyed the hair, so I don't know how this hair would respond to chemicals like that. What else can I say about this hair? It doesn't give me any tangling. It's actually pretty tame, pretty easy to maintain, pretty easy to manage. Like I said, I have been wearing this hair off and on for about 2 months. So it can't be terrible, because if it was terrible, I wouldn't keep reinstalling it. Now, you get what you pay for. This hair is at a really good price. So if you're looking for something that will give you nice wear for a few months, as long as you take care of it, I do see this hair lasting you for quite some time. Now, will this hair last you for a year or 2 years? I don't think so, but it will last you and give you good wear for a few months. So that's pretty much how I feel about the hair. As you can see, it looks really nice. I did flat iron it and straighten it. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Now, should you go out and spend your own coins on it, that's completely up to you, sis. Now, I've given you the information. It's up to you, boo-boo, to make it do what it do. But for right now, this is one of my favorite wigs. It's one of my favorite units. I've been wearing it a lot. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding this hair, please let me know. I'm here to answer any questions or to help you out in any way that I possibly can. Let me know what you think about the hair. And yeah, that is all, my dears. I will see you guys in the very next video. Remember, you're perfectly imperfect. Love all of you because God does, and so do I. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Until then, be blessed.